And because Johnny Covert Jr. of Stockton, California asked for it, we go to watch an ordinary sailing craft converted into a flying wonder. The secret is this king-size beanie, 10-foot plywood roto blade attached very easily atop the short mast. Now, as you see, those roto blades are not powered. They work like an auto gyro. The forward motion starts the blade spinning, and that's all it takes to lift the boat off the water. Now, these handlebars maneuver the machine up or down, left or right, much like the helicopter controls, but a lot simpler and easier. All set, so they carry it to the water. Boat and rig weigh little more than 150 pounds. A real comfortable lawn-type chair for the pilot. What more could you want? Inventor Benson himself is the pilot on this run. He waves to the towboat to take him out. A little assist and the roto blades start spinning. The towboat is powered by an outboard motor. Okay, let's get moving. Now, how could a thing like that actually fly? Well, here's our answer. Right off the water and into the air. An airspeed of 20 miles an hour gives it the necessary lift. Almost like riding a bike, and almost as easy, but what a difference. Just to give that water skier an idea of what he's missing. Ceiling unlimited. The gyro boat will fly just as high as the tow rope will allow. A new, exciting sport enjoyed here in the beautiful Florida Cypress Gardens. No traffic problems here. Just up and over. Now let's watch it come down. A perfect landing. But meanwhile, back at the shore, one of Benson's associates takes the controls of a second boat with a lovely hitchhiker to sit in his lap. Now, this is an experimental flight, the very first attempt to carry not one, but two riders. We'll see what happens. Now, let's wish them the best of luck. More speed this time with the extra load. They take off, smooth as ever. Carrying much more weight than ever before, their first duo flight. Well, the next time you want to take your best girl for a ride, try this. The towboat begins to slow down. A perfect tryout so far, but how about the landing? This will be the real test. Bouncing a little, but smoothly to the water. So the next time you want to fly, try a boat.